Hey there. My name is Kelsey. I'm a registered dietitian and I'm on the expert team at Brook. Today I want to welcome you to my kitchen and we are going to make fire cider. Fire cider is an apple cider vinegar tonic. It has been said that it helps people with energy, it can boost immune function, and apple cider vinegar is also good for blood sugar regulation. I like to have a shot of fire cider in the morning. It's really invigorating, it wakes you up. As you can tell by the ingredients I'm about to show you, it's extremely strong in flavor. But it's an awesome herbal remedy to add to your day if you're down. So let's bring you up close and I'll show you exactly how to make it. Okay, here's the ingredients that we're going to need today. You're definitely going to need apple cider vinegar. I recommend getting the kind with the mother. We're also going to need onion, garlic, lemon, turmeric. This is fresh turmeric, but you can use powdered. I like to put horseradish in mine. This is fresh horseradish root. And ginger. This is fresh ginger. We also have some herbs from my balcony garden. We've got some thyme and rosemary. Those are optional, but I really like to add those in. And then the last thing that we're going to need is honey. I like to use raw local honey. It's antibacterial, and also some studies have shown that local honey, raw local honey, is good for seasonal allergies as well. So I also like to support local businesses and small businesses, so I like this guy. We actually aren't going to be needing this honey today. In fact, we won't be needing it for about 3 to 4 weeks. Fire cider takes about 3 to 4 weeks to steep or to mature, if you will. So we're going to use all these ingredients today. We're going to chop them up. We're going to put them in this mason jar, and you'll need a lid as well. I like these lids. I just got them off of Amazon. They're just plastic lids that fit wide mouth mason jars, and I like those because the regular lids that come with mason jars, they don't do well with acidic foods. But if you have that top, that's totally fine. You can just put a layer of saran wrap and then put the lid on top to protect the seal on the inside of that lid. But I have these plastic ones, so that's nice. So let's get chopping all of our ingredients. First, we need to wash them. Look at all the dirt on this guy. So normally when I cook with fresh ginger or turmeric, I peel it before I use it when I'm making curries or something like a stir fry. But since we're making fire cider, I'm not actually going to peel these. I'm just going to wash it really well and chop it up and put it straight into the jar. I am going to go ahead and peel this horseradish though, because no matter how much I scrub it, there still seems to be a lot of dirt in the nooks and crannies. Okay, so I'm just going to chop everything up into really small pieces, and I think I'll probably do this into slices. And then I'm just going to put everything into this jar. Here's a trick for cutting onions. Leave this little nubbin on there and you can use that to hold the onion together while you're chopping it. Be careful with the turmeric, it stains everything orange. Okay, this mason jar is a bit full. I could have gone with a larger one, but that's okay. And now we're just going to add our apple cider vinegar. You want to make sure that you have enough apple cider vinegar in the jar to cover all of the ingredients that you added to it. So I'm going to pour it all the way to the top because I packed mine pretty tight. Okay. gonna put the lid on, give it a little shake, get the air bubbles. Okay, so then you just leave this on your counter, like a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight for 2, 3, 4 weeks. You can put it inside your kitchen cabinet if that works for you. That way it's in the dark. And then after that, you're going to take it out and you're going to strain it. So to strain this, you can use a cheesecloth, you can use a fine mesh strainer, or a nut milk bag. I like the nut milk bags because you put everything inside of them and then you can really squeeze all of the chunks to get the liquid out. Once you strain all of the liquid out, you can discard all of the pieces and put the liquid into a clean jar. Then you can add your honey. You can add as much or as little as you want depending on your preferred taste. And then you're good to go. This is what your fire cider will look like once it's completely finished. There's the honey in here and everything. You can see there's some sediment at the bottom. For this batch, I used powdered turmeric and some other powdered spices as well. So there's quite a bit more stuff on the bottom, but settling is natural. Just shake it up before you take it. I like to pour mine into a shot glass, like so, and drink it like that. Cheers. Woo! Okay, so that's how you make fire cider. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Brook's YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, recipes, lots of stuff going on here. So we'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye now.